Hi everyone, welcome back to GHK RiteDiet and I am Dr. Tejji Sarna, your food doctor, and we are talking about exercises, weight training, precautions to be taken while starting weight training during 40s, and now it's my time to tell you what are the important food items you should have when you are talking about weight training during your 40s. Sharing with you top 5 food items for weight training to fuel your workouts and enhance recovery. The food has to be a perfect balance of protein, complex carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, and it should have enough fluid so that you keep hydrated. Starting number 1 is eggs, very rich in high quality protein and essential amino acids for muscle repair. It contains healthy fats and vitamins to support all the energy levels. Have the eggs as boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, or even as omelets, but do not go on for fried eggs that are unhealthy options. Number 2 is lean protein or chicken breast is the best option. A staple diet for muscle building packed with lean protein and low in fat. It helps in repair muscle fibers after intense training. You should have chicken only as boiled chicken, grilled chicken. Stay away from barbecued chicken, fried chicken, or chicken with gravies. Number 3 is sweet potatoes, a very surprising food item, but it is a good source of complex carbohydrate to fuel all your workouts. It's loaded with fibers and nutrients such as potassium, which is very important for muscle function. Sweet potatoes should be taken only as grilled or boiled, and it is a very good ingredient in salad. Now, how can we forget the spinach and dark green leafy vegetables? They are rich in iron, magnesium, and antioxidants to reduce the inflammation and boost recovery, and it supports overall health and strength. And everybody knows that I am a great supporter of green leafy vegetables. You can have them in combination with salads or as an individual vegetable, but avoid having green juices. Last but not the least is the prebiotics things and probiotics. You can have a perfect blend of proteins and probiotics for muscle growth and gut health. Combine it with fruits. You can have a combination of fruits, nuts as a post-workout snacks. Yogurt, bananas, cucumbers are the best source of probiotics and prebiotics. Combining all these in your diet is a very good combination while you are working out during your 40s. And let me share with you, this is my 916th video, and soon I will be celebrating with you all my 1000th video. Thank you for all your support and love. Stay tuned, stay connected for your daily dose of health with Dr. Tejji. Bye.